Welcome to an Exosploit tutorial. Please help me by commenting and rating this video. Hello guys, sorry it's been so long since my last tutorial. So right now I'm going to show you how we can mount an ISO image instead of burning it to a disk. Mounting would be like having a virtual disk drive, and it'll make your computer think it's burnt to a disk. Essentially, so this way you can save CDs or DVDs. So any ISO file could be for a game, it could be for software. In my case, it's for an operating system. Alright, so the first one I'm going to show you is Daemon Tools Lite. Now, I specifically like the Lite version. So I'm going to show you how to install this. Now, you can avoid this spyware people talk about simply during the installation process. So you're going to have to reboot. Then once you're back up and running, you can continue the installation process. Now here, you can take off everything. Take off this. Take off this. Take off this. You can leave the two shortcuts if you want. I only want the desktop shortcut. This will avoid any spyware that many people claim Daemon Tools installs. And that's all you need to do. So first you can run it, and it's going to appear down here. So to use it, right click it, go to your virtual CD DVD drive, and go to your empty drive letter, and mount an image. If you have more than one CD, you can select up to 4. Then once that's done, you'll have 4 in here. So you can just go to your device 0 and mount an image. Browse for your image. Click open. And now it would run the exact same way that it would run if I was to burn it to a DVD and install it. Of course, this might not work so well with operating systems because usually you have to burn those to a DVD and boot from them to install. But if this was a game or an application, this would work fine. Now I'll show you some alternatives to Daemon Tools if you don't want to use that. First is virtual Clonedrive. This one's free. You can associate with all these files, but I don't want to. And click install. Once the install process is done, you'll have this here. If you've associated the ISO or the other images with Virtual Clone, you should be able to double click them. If not, right click, open, and select. And you can take this off if you don't want to open it all the time, which I would. You can always check it off later. And then click OK, and it'll open the exact same way. You can select your number of drives here if you have more than one CD. If you're installing a game, maybe you need 5 CDs. And the final one is made by Microsoft, Virtual CD Control Panel. I think it's version 2.1. Now once you extract the self-extracting zip file, you just select a location to extract it to. I just extract it to my desktop. Click on zip. You'll get 3 files. So this is the README, which I'll basically tell you what it says. So you're going to want to put your CD ROM into your System32 folder. and then execute this. Then click Drive Controller and install a driver, and now browse for your file you just placed in your System32 folder. Now click Start, click OK. Alright, so you can click Add Drive until you find an empty drive, and click any one of those empty drives, and then you can click Mount, and now browse for your image file, click Open, and then you can click OK, and it should run the drive the exact same way Daemon tools would. When you're done with any of these, you can eject your ISO image, and then you can remove your drives, click OK to finish. The same way to eject Daemon tools drives when you're done, you just click Unmount Image, and it's empty again. That's pretty much all there is to doing virtual drives. If you found this tutorial useful, please help me out by commenting and rating the video. And if you want to see more tutorials in the future, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.
Links and additional information will be located in the video description.